Hello and welcome to a new season, a lifestyle channel for women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. My name's Karen, and in today's video, I'll be using e.l.f. makeup to create this bronzy glam look for the holidays. e.l.f., which stands for Eyes, Lips, Face, is a cruelty-free vegan brand. Its products are also free of several ingredients that have been associated with problems ranging from skin irritation to cancer and miscarriage, along with environmental damage. It really is worthwhile to read the labels on your products because our skin is our largest organ and it soaks up anything we put on it. I've already completed my morning routine using e.l.f. products to cleanse and moisturize, Paula's Choice for smoothing and brightening, and Australian Gold Botanical Tinted Sunscreen for my SPF 50. If you're interested in these products, my skincare video will be linked below. To prime my face for foundation, I'm using the Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. It's a pale pink, silky feeling, firm, cream type product. This is one of e.l.f.'s bestseller Holy Grail products. I got this scoop and brush tool for free when I ordered it from their website. This primer contains squalane to moisturize your skin, and it promises to smooth the appearance of imperfections and promote all-day makeup wear. I scooped out a small amount of product, applied it to my skin with my fingers, then spread it evenly with the brush. Then I allowed it to set for 30 seconds before applying foundation. I'm using the Flawless Foundation, which comes in 40 shades and has a 30-day refund policy by email if you get the wrong shade. It's an oil-free, medium coverage, creamy product. I used about 2 pumps because I wanted more full coverage, and it built up nicely without looking cakey or feeling heavy. It gave me a nice semi-matte finish that didn't feel drying. I looked over my skin closely, and the areas where I have larger pores do appear smoother, so I think the primer did a good job. Another bestseller Holy Grail e.l.f. product is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. It has an oversized doe foot applicator, so you'll want to take it easy with applying this at first. It comes in 25 shades and is enriched with sodium hyaluronate, which locks in moisture, and rose flower water, which helps soothe the skin with its anti-inflammatory properties. It promises crease-proof, long-wearing full coverage and a satin finish. e.l.f. offers the 30-day shade match guarantee for this product as well. I used my fingertips to apply it to my under eyes, then blended it out with my favorite Angie BK Beauty A506 concealer brush. I'll link my unboxing video for that brush set below. It brightened my under eye area really well and melted into my skin without looking dry or heavy. To set the makeup and under eyes, I used the high definition powder in Sheer. This comes in 3 shades and doubles as a photo filter, blurring imperfections for a soft focus effect on the skin. To use it, I swirled my brush in the powder, tapped it off, and applied it lightly under my eyes and around the outer edge of my face. It's a very fine powder and felt light and silky on my skin. Next, I applied e.l.f.'s new Putty bronzer in the color Tan Lines. It comes in 8 colors, and the unique putty to powder formula leaves a semi-matte finish. The description for this product says it's highly pigmented, but I found I needed to reapply it several times to get the amount of color I wanted. It's enriched with argan oil and vitamin E to moisturize and soften your skin. It felt weightless and blended out so naturally that I was really happy with the healthy, warm glow it left on my face. To color my cheeks, I used the Putty blush in the shade Tahiti. This is a lightweight, velvety product that melted right into my skin and dried to a semi-matte powder finish. It's available in 8 shades, and like the Putty bronzer, it has argan oil and vitamin E, which nourishes and hydrates my skin. It was easy to apply and blended out perfectly for a natural-looking blush I really love. To add just a little more color to my face and a highlighter, I dipped into the Bite Size Face Duo in the color Spiced Apple. This comes in 8 shades. It's lightly pigmented, creamy, blendable, great for all skin tones, and it's perfect for on the go. I used a little fluffy brush, and first I dipped into the blush, and then I put on the highlight. These blended out beautifully and left me with a pretty shimmer and just a touch more color. Thank you so much for being here. If you're enjoying this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and leaving me a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. To do my brows, I used the Bite Size Brow Palette in neutral brown. This comes in 5 other colors, and each palette has both a clear and tinted wax and 2 matte brow powders. Using a spoolie brush, I applied the clear wax and brushed the hairs up. Then I took the flat brush and applied the colored powders to fill in and define. Finally, I ran the spoolie through each brow again to soften the color and set the hairs in place. The wax was clumpy and balled up, and it was kind of difficult to work with, so this is not really my favorite technique, but the powder colors were a nice match, so overall, I like the outcome. For my eyes, I used another bite-sized palette, this time the Eyeshadow Quad, in the color Cream and Sugar. There are 9 other color combos, and each one has 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. First, I used a flat brush and the matte pink shade all over the lid and up into the crease. Then I took a small fluffy brush and applied the dark matte shade to the outer corner and into the crease, creating a line from the outer corner of my eye toward the tail of my brow to make a lifted look. I used a larger fluffy brush to blend and soften the color. Using the flat brush again, I picked up the bronzy shimmer shade and tried to apply it to the center of the lid, but it didn't apply well with the brush, so I used my fingertip until I got an even layer of color. I added a bit of the lighter shimmer to under the brow bone and in the inner corner using a small fluffy brush, then went over the whole thing very carefully with a large fluffy brush to blend and smooth out the color. To add a glamorous touch, I used the e.l.f. Natural Eyelash Kit to give me full, lush lashes. They were very easy to work with, and once I trimmed them to size, I got them on without any trouble using my own glue because the kit does not contain glue. The lashes are much longer and the band is thicker than what I'm used to, but for a party or other dress-up event, I think they'd be fun. I used the e.l.f. Eyeliner Pen in coffee to cover the lash band. It also comes in black. This is a felt tip pen with a fine line that comes off easily with a water-based makeup remover. You'll want to store it tipped down for best results. My line wasn't quite as even as I wanted it to be because I had trouble seeing over the lashes, but the product was smooth and nice to work with. I really liked the matte finish. To finish my eyes, I applied some big Mood Mascara to my lower lashes only. This is a new product and comes in brown, black, and pitch black. It has a large hourglass-shaped brush to evenly coat and define the lashes for increased volume and is infused with jojoba wax to add lift and all-day curl. The Matte Magic Mist and Set in Clear was my choice to set my makeup. I was really impressed by the very fine mist of this product. For my lips, I applied the Seriously Satin lipstick in Pepper. There are 9 other colors. The formula felt silky, creamy, and hydrating, and it's no wonder because it contains macadamia seed, jojoba, and meadow foam seed oils. I love this color and think it's just right for a festive holiday look. For the very last step in this long process, I decided to use Retro Dream On Lip Gloss in the color Tropical Fruit Punch, which is a soft peach gloss with warm gold and peach shimmer. This is a nourishing, creamy lip gloss. It comes in 3 other colors, and it has a sheer iridescent shimmer, a kiss of color, and a light tropical scent. I thought it added just the right topper to my pretty red lipstick. I took these pictures in natural light in my kitchen so you could see what the makeup looked like there. And then later on in the day, I took some more photos after I had had something to eat. And then I took pictures when I was just about ready to go to sleep. I had to take those eyelashes off. They were driving me crazy. But as you can see, the makeup held on and lasted all day and into about 11 o'clock at night. So overall, I think these products are winners.